Alrighty, so let's show them. See, the money is gone from the lending wallet. Show them the total investment. Alright, so 100 is now 110. 110 active investment, guys. And as you can see, it's day 10. And it's day 9 for him, and he earned 10.59 already. It's day 10 for me, guys. So today at about 6:30, make sure y'all tune in to see where my account is at, guys. You don't want to miss it. Now, on the last video, I forgot to leave the link to where you could get some free crypto knowledge information, guys. It's 100% free. You're gonna register your account. You're gonna go through the 10-step video course, okay, and you're gonna learn more about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin within the next 30 minutes of taking this course than you did your entire life, guys. So go on, get the free knowledge and learn how to start investing